Hello, this is Jeff Morgan with Truck-n-Trailer in Oklahoma City. Today we're looking at a 2009 Ford F-350. This Ford has a 6.8-liter V10 gas engine with 203,000 miles. It has an auto transmission and 13,000 GVW. In the rear with the gear is a Knapheide tool body. Gives you lots of storage. Comes with a hoist, spare tires, and even work lights. To see this work truck or many other utility body vehicles just like it, cargo vans and box trucks, give us a call. 405-912-5800. And we're conveniently located at 2417 East I-240 Service Road in Oklahoma City. As always, you can see this vehicle and many more like it on our website, Truck-n-Trailer.com.